Are you ready to make extra money while championing a greener, cleaner future? If you live in Washington, D.C., we've got exciting news for you. Solar Renewable Energy Certificates or SREC are your ticket to earning income simply by producing clean energy from the sun. So, how does it work? It's simple. For every 1 megawatt-hour of solar energy your system produces, you earn 1 SREC. These certificates are like gold for utilities and companies aiming to meet their renewable energy goals. And guess what? You can sell them for real cash. Imagine this. Not only are you cutting your electricity bills by going solar, but you're also creating a brand new income stream for your household. That's money in your pocket and energy savings. Talk about a win-win. Washington, D.C. is aiming for 100% renewable energy, driving up SREC demand. Maximize your solar investment now. Don't miss this golden opportunity. Curious how SREC can transform your solar experience? Let SolarSME guide you. Click below to learn more and start earning today.